Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a silicone set. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And for this set, they provide guys 5 different silicone spatulas. Whether you need to use it for like cooking stuff, mixing stuff, you can definitely use whichever one you guys want. And then for the one that we got right here is a multi-color. They do have this available in all black or all red. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And the cool thing about all these spatulas right here is the fact that it is heat resistant and it's also food grade safe. But first, I'm actually take it out to show you guys what each one looks like. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is what the product looks like. So here we have the first one. If you can see, this is what it actually looks like. Right here we do have the brand logo, and they provide you guys the option if you guys want to hang it on somewhere to keep it organized. Next right here we do have like a smaller version of the one that I just saw. If you can see what it actually looks like on this side. But for this one also has the brand logo and option for you guys to hang somewhere if you guys want to. And when you guys see the core right here, they do use a high quality stainless steel core. Next up we have this one right here. They also have the brand logo and the option for you guys to hang it somewhere if you guys want to. And they do have the steel core in the middle. Next up we got this one, which is a smaller version of the one they just saw. But they also have the brand logo and the hole for you guys to hang it somewhere if you guys want to. And last but not least, we do have this one right here. And this one also has the brand logo and the little hole as well. So that is everything that's included in this set right here. If you can see, it looks and feels like a high quality product. So whether you want to use it for like cooking stuff, baking stuff, however you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But once you guys are done using it, you guys can definitely hand wash it, or you can put it in a dishwasher to wash it as well. Alright, so I have one of the spatula that's on here. I'm using this one instead of the other one because this works a lot better in my case for cooking stuff on here. So I'm going to add some onion on top. If you guys notice when I put the spatula on here, it is heat resistant. And when you guys use the spatula on here, it won't scratch your pot or your pan, which is definitely pretty cool. So you can see when you guys use the product on here, it definitely does work. Actually works quite well. You guys can definitely use it to scoop stuff if you guys use this one right here. If you guys do want to use the other spatula, you guys can feel free to use it as well. But this one definitely works better if I want to use it to cook stuff on here. But when you see when I actually use the product, it definitely does work and it is heat resistant. So that is everything that's included in this set right here. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality silicone spatula set. That's everything that's included right here. So that way you can use it for cooking stuff, baking stuff, or just stirring stuff, or folding stuff. You definitely have everything that's on here for everything. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.